Hello guys, welcome to Java Developers YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about reversing the number. Already in our previous class we discussed about these two problems like count the number of digits, sum of the digits of a number. Today we are discussing about reverse a number. Okay, well first we will see the intuition and then we will write the code. Okay, yeah. And what is the thing we have to do right now? If the user enter 123, we have to give the output as 321. If the user enters 12, it should be 21. Okay, and if the user enter 1234, we need to give 4321. Okay, and this is our output. And what is the logic behind that? Okay, first we need to take the number which is 1234 and take the variable as reverse, which is initially set to the 0, which is the int type. Okay, int, and we are going to use the while loop. While the number which is the user entered, it must be greater than 0. First of all, we need to take the each digit, last digit, that by taken by int of reminder, where num modulo by 10, that will use the remainder as 4, next it will use 3, next it will use 2, next it will use 1. Okay, this is the cycle. And next, what we have to do? We need to take the digit reverse into 10 plus what is the remaining number, we need to take that, and finally store that in the reverse variable. Okay, initially reverse is 0. What is the first digit into is equals to 0, right? 0 plus what is the remainder? First one, it leaves the 4, right? So the reverse will store 4 here. Okay, then num modulo by num number is equals to number by 10. That will remove the 1 2 3 4. It will reduce it to 1 2 3. That means it will remove the last digit at each time. Okay, and it's the code and we will implement that, and then finally we need to print the reverse variable. Okay, yeah, that will stores the output. We will look at the table of logic table. Okay, and first of all we need to take the number. Okay, initially reversed is equals to 0. It's an initial state. And what is the next state? Reminder, what it says? Num modulo by 10. Okay, that will give the always reminder. And what is the next case? Reverse, updated reverse is equals to reverse into 10 plus reminder, right? And what is the next case? N is equals to n by 10. Okay, initially reverse set to 0, and whereas 1 2 3 4 modulo by 10, that will give us 4, right? We have been studied in our previous class. Like if you take 1 2 3 4, which is 10, it will 123 times 1230, that will use the remainder as 4, so you will get 4 here. Okay, initially reverse is 0 into 10, which is 0 plus what is the remainder we got? It's a 4, right? Okay, that will be stored in the reverse variable. And what is the number? 1 2 3 4 by 10, and that will use the remainder. What? That will use the quotient, right? Is equals to 1 2 3. What is the updated number? 1 2 3. And what is the updated reverse number? 4. Okay, 4 is the reversed. And next, what is the number updated? 123 modulo by 10. We are going to get 3 as an remainder. So what is the reversed previous digit? We have 4, right? 4 plus 3. Okay, 4 plus 3. That means, 4 into 10 plus 3. That is 40 plus 3. That is 43. Okay, 43 will be stored in the reverse. Okay, next 1 2 3 by 10, it will remove the 3 and gives the output as 12. What is the updated reverse? It will give the 4 3. And what is the updated number? It's 12. And 12 modulo by 10, it leaves the remainder as 2. And what is the previous reverse number? 43 into 10. What is the latest remainder we got? 2. And then that will be stored as 432, right? 430 plus 2, we are going to get 432, right? And what is the latest digit? We have been 12 by 10, we are going to get it to 2 will be removed, as a final we're going to get 1, right? And what is the updated reverse? That will be 432, right? What is the updated number? 1 modulo by 10, we are going to get 1 as an output. Then 432, which is the updated number, 432 is the updated number, and we are going to multiply with the 10. Then what is the latest remainder? 1. We are going to get 4320 plus 1, that will use 4321, and the 1 by 10 we are going to get 0. And what is the reversed digit? 4321 is the latest one, and we will be having, what is the number is 0. Okay, and the final reverse number is 4321. Let's write the code for this. Yeah, now let's open the Eclipse and write the code for reversing the number. Just take the variable like reverse, initially reverse set to 0. What is the while condition? The entered number must be greater than 0, and we need to take the remaining numbers, which is modulo by 10. Every time it leaves a remainder, and after that we need to store that in the reverse variable, which is reverse into 10, and what is the next thing? Plus remainder. And we need to remove the number each last digit. That can be done by num is equals to num by 10, and then we need to print the reverse variable, which is the final stored value. Okay, and let's run the code, and we will write, enter the number 1 2 3 4, you have to get 4321. If you rerun the code like 1 2 3 4 5 6, it will give reversing 6 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, and that's all about today video. If you have any doubt, just comment below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.